Hello, Marketer Assassin here, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do to this channel. And all we talk about is how to make money online, marketing strategies, and different techniques to help you improve your marketing approach. Today we're going to be talking about. I told you I was going to make in an earlier video. I was going to make I was going to show you how to exactly sign up to an Amazon affiliate program. I showed you in an Amazon affiliate program. I told you about Amazon affiliate and how you can make money through Amazon affiliate. You can earn commissions and get money. You can actually you can actually get make a good career doing this if you're really good at it, and if you know your stuff, and you do more learning about this stuff. But it's a good way to make passive income if you're really good at this. A way to generate commissions and get money. Be your own boss. Just partner up with them. You just join, you advertise, you promote their products, and you use their affiliate link. I told you about the affiliate link. If you haven't already know what affiliate link is, I'll leave a link down below explaining to that to lead you to another video explaining affiliates. But you can use their affiliate link, transfer whoever goes to you and then you refer to it's basically you referring to somebody to a product, to Amazon products, and then once you refer them to them in Amazon, you refer them with your link, so they click that link, they go straight to Amazon, they can shop on Amazon, and then anything they buy on Amazon, you get a commission for that. So it's very simple. The process is very simple, and you should definitely get on this though. So I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up. So here we go. And if you need to know where to go, I'll leave a link down below to lead you straight to this stuff. But what you want to do is you want to join for free. Join now for free, and then it's going to take you to this create an account. Right here you got to create an Amazon account. So what we're going to do, we're going to create our Amazon account. So I'll be okay. So if you got to that point, it should take you straight to this page, and it's going to ask you the option if you have a smart Google to save, if you want it saved on here. So I'll put save, and it should have took you straight to this page. So if you didn't go straight to this page, you did something wrong, but it should have took you straight to this page after you fill in your information on there to make an account. And okay, and it's in steps, the process. So account information, employee name, I mean payee name, not employee, guys. My mistake. I'm sorry. Not fully awoke. This is you just put your name right here. Enter the exact name that should appear on the check. You know what I'm saying, when they get ready to pay you. So you just put, you want to be honest with them. Just put your name. Just put any name on here, and once you do that, it goes straight down. Here, let me scroll down. You put your address. If you want them to mail things to you, especially if you want a check form, a way of pay, so they can pay you. And you go straight down, and you fill out the city and your state. Just all these information. Once you fill out this, it's pretty simple, easy. You go to the next thing. So we're gonna fill out this right here. Okay, so once you've filled out your account information, I'll take you straight to this website and mobile app. So you want to pay attention to this. It's very important that you pay attention to this step. You want to, so whether you're using the affiliate link, you want to be able to use that affiliate link. What do you want to post that affiliate link to? So you want to if you have a social media, you can use social media. You can use a website. Like I explained in a earlier video, you have to you don't have to create a website made. You can have something as simple as a social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube even works. And then what you want to do is you want to if you want to go to your profile, whatever one of those social medias, any one of those social medias, and you want to copy that URL link, the URL on the top of your thing, like if you're on Facebook or whatever, copy that and then you post it on here, and then you add it. And then there's no limit to how much you can add on here. You just put everything that you're going to refer the link to or refer somebody to, you put it through here, and you add it. And then for mobile, you can I didn't really get this from really though, but from my understanding, your mobile URL, You could put on here though, but I really didn't use this though. I don't think you really. I don't even think you have to use this. I don't think this is really that important though. But I'll do more research on this. I think you could just. I guess you could just put like a mobile URL on here. You can go on your phone and see the URL for your website. So you put it in here though. But I really didn't use this though. But even though I didn't use this, I still, the process and the system worked for me. I got commissions, leads, and clicks from this program. Just putting in the websites. I use YouTube. My personal ones I use is YouTube. I used to use Facebook. I don't use Facebook anymore, but I still had it on here though. Google Plus. I use Twitter. I used I think I even used Instagram too. So you could put anything on here. I probably even used. I don't think I used LinkedIn, but you could use LinkedIn on here though. But you're promoting. But think about it, then if you have a website created and made like a free website or whatever, you can put that on here as well. And then because you want Amazon to know which websites you're using to promote use the link. So they can be aware. So this helps them recognize you a little bit better. So this is where you put your URLs, and then once you get past this point, it'll go straight to the profile. So I'm gonna put my YouTube URL in there. So once you put your YouTube URL in there, you get up a snake, and it's gonna ask you if your content or website or whatever is it primarily directed towards children under the age of 13. You can put no on that. So you can put no, and then you can confirm and continue. And then once you get past that stage, profile, this right here, what is your preferred associated store ID? So all you have to do here is you can either put uh any name. You can put your the name you start off with, and then put a couple numbers at the end of it. So if I want to do like Charlie 123 or something, I could do that. So you can do something like that. What is your website about? Mostly you could just put a description here. So we're gonna put help, not anything, helpful content, online marketing. So you can do that. Topic could be whatever you want. Business, and then we're gonna blah, blah, blah. We're just gonna do a guessing on here. Who cares? That's not what the content is. This is just to get past that process. So it could be serious. You can be serious about this. You can put more than one. Niche or website, blog or whatever. How these right here. I don't want to confuse anybody. These are just this is just basically talking. What is your website gonna be? Mainly about how you're gonna promote your website. It's just what type of websites or mobile apps. What are you using? Blog, or using social media or search or whatever. So it's whatever you go. You can add a number of them. You can add a lot. So it doesn't really matter. SEO, blogs, you can add all of them if you want to. How do you utilize your websites and the apps? Okay. So how do you utilize it? You can just put something as simple as other affiliate program, Amazon associates, and this is the only way I want to monetize my site. So you can do something like that, and other affiliate, and content, blog. You can put other. So this is optional. You can choose whatever suits for you. I'm gonna put other. You want to put, if you're just starting off, you probably want to put less than 500. So if you're just starting off, monetize my site. How did you hear about this? You can put whatever you want on here, but you have to fill it out. So word of mouth, you do something like that. And then once you do that, you fill out this part. Just make sure you're not a bot. And then once you do that, you should push next. And once you get past that, you're gonna get like it's gonna tell you to verify your number. Sorry, I lost focus there. It's gonna tell you to verify your number, so you just put a number you want to use in there. You can they verify you, and they'll call you or send you a text. No, they'll just call you and then tell you what your code is to verify your account. So once you get past that, it'll take you straight to the start using once you get to this point, it'll take you to like the home thing of the Amazon Associate Central. And I'm not gonna go past this point though, but I'm telling you it'll go to straight to the Amazon Associate Central, and where you can use the link. You can use something. You can use bounty links. So you just want to read over that information and different things they have. They have different links. They have banner links. They have ad links. They have short links. And let me show you a way you can do something very cool when you're on if you're trying to promote a product from anywhere on Amazon. But once you go straight to this, and this is basically what it looks like. This is the Amazon Associate. You got home, tools, advertising, reports, and let me see. Hold on. So I logged into my other account, and that I just recently made, and this is how it looks right here. This is a new one that I made. This is showing you how you use banner links, product links, native shopping ads, mobile link, and there's bounty there, featured promotions, Amazon bounty program, and just click that, and yeah, you read just I would advise you to read more about this though, but you can definitely earn a lot of money with this though. But basically, you want to promote their products, and then when you get viewers, you get traffic, you get more eyeballs, and if people find something interesting on Amazon, they buy from that. You get a commission for that, and I'll show you another way. Okay, so I picked you can go right here. Here's the link. Once you this is a different account that I use. This is like I tried to create a account before the one I was showing you, but it didn't really work out so well though. But I actually finished it. So this is another new account that I made. And once the way you can use this this, you go all the way to see it says get link. If you're on any say if you want to go on here, if you want to go like click this headphones, right, and or this TV, right, and you go click that, and it'll take you to like the where you can buy it and stuff like that. You can get a link to that. You copy it, full link right here. You copy it, and then you post it to anything you want to post it to. But you want to be aware. Don't spam your link and throw it around everywhere. You want to use it to your advantage, because you can get you get in trouble for that. And I know Facebook don't really play that no more though. That's why I know that's as you know, if you're aware, Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg is getting sued. Facebook is getting sued basically by a lot of people, but about the privacy and the data usage issue though. But he's making new policies. Facebook's making new policies, so you're gonna have to figure out how to get around that though. But I could see that's why I don't really use Facebook like that anymore. And I see Facebook is unless they fix their new whatever they got going on, their new policies and whatever they got going on. I don't really see Facebook really rising and going any higher unless you already especially for newer people who just want to start off using Facebook. So yeah, so it's very tricky. Facebook has definitely gotten trickier. So but you use this on Twitter, YouTube, so definitely if you want to use the link, so you can definitely get a commission from Amazon doing this. You can get paid from Amazon. So I'll definitely become an affiliate. And if you don't know what a actual affiliate is, you still need more information, I'll leave links down below to better help you understand this whole process. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful, if you liked it, and subscribe, because like I said, all we do is talk about ways to better improve in your marketing skills and your strategies and your techniques, to attacking problems online, and how you can generate commissions and how you can make money online. So and this is a new, it's like a this is the future. This is like a this is new. Like back then we didn't have options like this where we can make money online and do all kinds of stuff. You can make money on the side online doing simple things to business like things. So definitely stay in tune with this channel, and I'll leave a link. This is Amazon is like an I have a multiple Amazon accounts that I use that I've generated commissions from. I like Amazon, but that's not what like the top and the best affiliate program I'm using. This is just one of many affiliate programs that I'm using to make money online. So do you get it now? This is just one of many programs that I'm using. So definitely read more into Amazon affiliate programs though. I hope this video was as helpful as I could possibly. I would try to make this video as helpful as I can get it. So I helped you with the sign up process. So definitely get into this though. But I'll leave a link down below going to the my recommended affiliate program, that the one that I personally use. That's the one that I could generate higher commissions from, that I'm currently like. That's one of my favorite and biggest programs that I'm using. I'll leave it down below in the recommended description. So you have a good day, and I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.